Use the adjustment clip to speed up your workflow. Today's video is sponsored by Duck Dodgers. Bring one adjustment clip, trim it down to around 4 or 6 frames long, and place it over the cut of your clips if you want to use it as a transition, or just in top of one clip if you want to use it as an effect. Go to the Open Effects library, and bring a camera shake effect into the adjustment clip. Go to the Effects tab, and increase the motion scale, speed and blur sliders. Set the pan, tilt and rotation sliders to your liking, and increase the speed. Scroll down, and change the border type to reflect. Go to the Effects library, and bring a Flicker Addition effect to the adjustment clip. Change the type to Flicker Gain, and increase the range and the speed sliders. If you want, you can uncheck one color channel also. Go to the Video tab, increase the zoom amount, and move the position of it. You can also experiment with different composite modes. What I like to do is to duplicate the adjustment clip, and change the composite mode of the second one, and bring down the opacity of it. Copy those adjustment clips and place them over to the next cut, or just in one clip. Adjust the effects parameters, and experiment with different composite mode each time, and you'll get very fast a bunch of different transitions and effects. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is no place for you in this universe.